Okay folks, I'm doing a little chore today, fixing the hot water heater in the renter's house. This is the burner out of the hot water heater. And as you can see right here, you have your little tube with your pilot light burner and your other little electrode here with a little spark lighter. And what seems to be going wrong here is the darn pilot light. I can get it to light up, but it won't stay lit. And the most common problem is this little heat sensor called a thermocoupler, and it fits right inside here and tells the little controller on the hot water heater that the pilot light is burning and it's okay to operate. Otherwise, if this thing isn't warm, it shuts off the pilot light gas for a safety precaution. That way you won't have a gas leak. All water heaters have these. So anyway, this one was not too difficult to take the burner out. I had to unscrew a whole bunch of little screws around the outside perimeter of the tank and then take this off, cover off, and I was able to get into the burner, and the burner actually just picked up and lifted right out. It's not even screwed in, it's held on by this other apparatus. So anyways, here's our new thermocoupler I just picked up, and I'm going to unpack it, put it all back together, and see if she works. Alright, well now I've got the little thermocoupler sensor hooked up. Here's the lead to it. Goes right up and slips right inside here with a little spring clip. And I just made it just about the same length as the pilot light. Maybe a smidge more than that. It's adjustable, you can pull it in and out. And I bolted up the little front flange for the gas feed to the burner, just with a couple of screws. I'm pretty sure I could pop it in there as a unit like that. And if not, it's easy to take back apart, 2 screws. So we're going to try to put it back in now. Alright, I got this baby in. It only took a few screws to screw the thing in. I had to take the burner off of that little manifold piece because it wouldn't lift up and go in. But anyway, the burner sits on a little shelf. I put the little manifold on there. This is your gas supply. Make sure you have a big gasket and it's in good shape on there. And then I hooked up my pilot gas hose to this side and my heat sensor to this side. Turned the gas on. Gas on is even with the pipe. Gas off is perpendicular with a T on the pipe. Okay. And then up here to light the pilot, I had to turn the screw to pilot light and push this black thing down and click the little spark clicker here to light the pilot, which I could see the little window down here was lit, and now you can see the burner is getting red hot. See that? So I started it up, got it on medium heat here. It's working just fine.